Hello. Okay. I think the issue is solved. Can you hear now the I think the issue is solved. Now I think everybody can hear. Just let me confirm. Yeah, I know it was surrounding because I added two mics. So it was taking the voice from this mic. I have this small Sennheiser mic here and was taking from the other sounds. But I hope now you are hearing just one sound, not both of them. Let me know if everything is good. You can see the video, you can have the audio. Let me know if you can have this live stream fine. Yes, okay, Farhan, yes. Okay. So we have 7 people now on live stream. Welcome everyone. And yeah, Farhan, the issue was like because I use different devices for audio. I was using this mic, and then I have another mic with me, and then there's mic for the computer, and then I have my AirPods. So everything was connected, and sometimes the systems are not so perfect, so that's why it was not taking any of those input. But now I solved it. I hope you can hear now. Bro, do you know Hindi? Yes, bro, I know Hindi. But in this live stream, we're gonna speak in English because everybody here doesn't speak Hindi. So we have to speak in the language which everybody can understand. Yeah. Okay. So okay, we have 8 people here. Okay, so Farhan Tech. Assalamu alaikum Farhan. How I'm good. Then Ravan, hello Ravan, how are you? Investor Swami, welcome. Shiraz Ahmed, welcome. Farhan Tech, okay. Shaveen, Arush, hey Shaveen, how are you? What's up, man? Shaveen is like following this live stream from the first day, and he's a really good contributor and supporter of the live stream. He always give advice to people, so shout out for Shaveen. Okay, so guys, in this live stream, we're gonna talk anything what you want. Normally, live stream is for helping you guys out because sometimes when you comment on the videos, it's really hard to get back to everyone, and there's so many questions which are really hard to write on YouTube comments. So yes, we try to do live stream now, so it will be like more interactive conversation with you guys. And if you have any questions, I'm gonna answer them live here. We're gonna do the website audits so that if you have any issues with the website, we can find the issue and I can tell you how to solve that thing. And the audits will be for two things. First, it will be like design audit and functional audit, that how your website is working, and if you want to improve something, that's going to be the first part. Second part, like most of you know my channel because of speed improvement, so we're going to do that second part with the speed optimization audit of your website. So what you can do to optimize your website better to get the best result for Google page speed. So that will be the purpose of live stream. And yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna attach a form in the live chat, so if you want to submit your website for audit, you can do there, or just let me know if you want to talk about anything, any questions regarding anything. I will be really happy to answer all of those. Okay, let me know in comments if you have some questions. Shaveen, you did not miss live stream, by the way, because last live stream was cancelled because I have some technical issue with my streaming software, which I fixed right now. So yes, you haven't missed anything. So I am pinning the form to submit your website URL. You can see on the top of the live stream. Okay, let me take the another view of the live stream. Let me know if you can see my screen. Okay, you can see here on the top, this is the form where you have to submit your website for audit. Investor Swami, submit your website URL here so that I can analyze your website live and give you suggestions. But yeah, that's not your issue. There are a lot of people facing the same issue with CLS. Okay, if you can submit your website URL and then I can check it. You can see there's so many comments from you people from YouTube. Like sometimes it's really hard to answer all of those because I receive like 50 to 100 comments every day and I try to answer as many as I can. Okay, so let's start with the investor Swami's question. Hello sir, I face CLS issue due to auto ads. What can I do now? And when use Lightspeed broke my website. Okay, let me give you example of my website and let me know if you can see my screen. I hope you can see my screen now. For example, let me show you the ads. I started running some ads on my website. Not a big fan, but yeah, still. So if you see here, okay, so this is the ads and you are facing the CLS issue on your website. Normally CLS happens here and I created a whole video about CLS. If you just go to my YouTube channel and then search here CLS, then there's a video about it. Investor Swami, I'm not sure if you watched that video. There's complete video about CLS. What is CLS? I explain in like very easy terms. So if you have any issues, you can understand what is CLS and how you can fix CLS. So this is the video. There's the video about it. And you can see CLS is your website layout visible stability matrix, which is very important core web vitals. Okay, so this is like really easy explanation. What is CLS? So in easy term, when something unexpected happen, or normally it's a design change happens on the screen, that is CLS. For example, if I show you my website and if I go to the home page and if we reload the website, you can see the image is loading like real nice. And if I go here, if I load this section, then also it's loading very nice. There's no CLS on my website. But if you go to this video here and then I give some examples, for example, if I just play, you see, for example, somebody come on a website and they want to place a order and they submit it, but there's a design change. You see the design just shifted downward. So that is CLS. For example, there's another very great example to understand what is CLS. I'm just using the video I created before. It's gonna be easy for everyone. So for example, this is your website, how it loads on mobile devices. So there is text on the top, but when the website load completely, the text shift to the bottom. So that is CLS. In case of Investor Swami, it must be your ads on your website. So what is happening? Your ads is creating CLS on your website. I think I give example about ads also in this. Yeah, okay. So I have the example of a subscriber of my channel. You can see here he is using ads. I'm sure you are using the same technique on your website, Investor Swami. So what happened when somebody wrote the website? The ad is being added here. You can see there's no ad. Now the whole layout is shifted towards down. Okay, so how you can fix it? This was your question. So how you fix it? Before adding ads, you add a div here, okay, and then give that div a height and a width, and that div gonna be like empty div, and that div gonna be used to display your ads. So what gonna happen when you use that div? You already reserve some space for ads. So give that div a ID or a class, and when you load your ads, you load your ad inside that div. So you will not have CLS on your website. And for more details, you can watch this video, real nice video. Very small video for 4 minutes and 37 seconds. So yeah, you're gonna get a lot of value out of it. Okay, so let's see more comments. Shaveen, Arush, I got a client to build a real estate website. Congratulations, Shaveen. I'm using, I'm gonna use Jet Engine and Elementor Pro. Yeah, Elementor Pro is real nice. You can use Elementor Pro to build the website. Real nice. Ravan, if you want to use CLS, use Rishi theme. It has zero CLS issue. Okay, Ravan, that is not true because CLS, what investor Swami is facing is because of the ads. So when you place ads somewhere, you're gonna have CLS issue. That's not like something with any theme you cannot have this issue. If you're using Rishi theme and you're not adding ads, of course it's gonna get zero CLS. But yes, if you're using ads and they're gonna shift the whole div, then you're gonna have the CLS issue. Okay. How to reach blog in Google Discover? Use the keywords. If you want to like search, if you want to like rank higher search engine, the best thing you can do with your website or your blog is to have good quality content. Like nothing else beat a good quality content. It's really important for your website to have good quality content. My website, I do not have so much content on my website, but if I go to blogs, I wrote some blogs. Oh, okay. I have some. I create another website, so URL is like mismatching. But yes, if you write some blog posts on your website which are really high quality, then you can really easily rank on Google search engine rankings. And what else? Let's talk about some videos I published recently. So recently I created a big video, 1 hour, 8 minutes video, the complete step-by-step process how to create a WordPress blog website or any kind of website. I use Astro theme in this tutorial with the starter templates, and I explain everything, what are the important plugins to use, where to get the images, where to get the post titles, and how you should add the elements on a page. Everything covered in this tutorial, and it was a complete step-by-step guide. So I highly recommend you, if somebody want to create a blog website, you should watch this video. Real nice video. In the end, I also explain how to speed up website and how to secure the website, how to take backup of the website, everything covered in this one video. Really nice video. It took me like 20 hours to create this video, but finally I created it. I recorded for this video for like 3 hours of material, and then I added everything. I removed everything which was not required, so that it will not waste any of your time and you get only the quality content. So in the end, it was just 1 hour and 8 minutes. I started from like 3 hours and I was like, wow, this is too much. And there are a lot of errors when you record a video. Sometimes you repeat things multiple times, sometimes you do not pronounce it well, so you say it again, and then when you edit the video, you cut everything, because live stream is much easier. Like I can live stream for 2-3 hours and that's fine, but when you create videos, it's not the same thing. So yes, this video took like 20 hours. So I hope you will like this video. Real nice video. Okay, Gabriel, welcome to live stream. I think you are coming on the live stream first time, because most of the people here, I know them, they come to the live stream every week. So the question of Gabriel is, hello, what do you have any idea how can I fix regenerate CSS in Elementor? Regenerate CSS, where are you seeing this issue, Gabriel? Thank you, Gabriel. First time live stream, but a long time in videos. Thank you so much. So regenerate CSS, I don't see that a issue, because are you talking about the option in Elementor? Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go inside the Elementor and see what are you talking about. My screen got a little bit slow because when you live stream from the same computer, your system become a little bit slower. Normally, it is very powerful computer. I use Alienware like with 32 GB RAM and really high graphics card and everything. But still, okay. So where is Elementor? Okay, here's Elementor. If we go to settings, I think it's in tools, integration, advanced features. I cannot see this option regenerate CSS. I remember it used to be like in in older version of Elementor, we could see this option, but I cannot see this option anymore. Let me check in tools. Or maybe you can tell us, Gabriel, where you see this issue. Okay, here's the issue. So, Gabriel, we are talking about regenerate CSS and data. So, style set and element are saved in CSS files in the upload folder and in the site database. Recreate those files and settings according to the most recent settings. So that's it. If you do any change, just click here, regenerate files and data, and you will regenerate your CSS. I don't know like if that was your question. Maybe if I'm wrong, just let me know. Otherwise, if you want to regenerate CSS, just come to Elementor and then use this option tools, and then from here click on regenerate files and data, and then you will regenerate all the new CSS which you have changed recently. Okay, Coder World, welcome to live stream. Shaveen, how many? We're gonna come back to your question, Coder World. And I suggest you to my website performance is desktop over 90, mobile 37. Other parameters desktop mobile 90. Okay, can you submit your website URL here? You can see this link here. Just here submit your website URL for audit so that I can know your website URL. YouTube does not allow to add website URL in the chat. Shaveen, Arosh, how many plugins are you using? I'm just curious. Okay, okay. Not so much. Let me show you. Every website got different number of plugins depending on the website. Okay, so let's see how many plugins I'm using. So I'm using 58 plugins, which among them 34 active, 24 inactive because I create videos. So sometimes I use plugins, I don't use them anymore. I just deactivate them. So yeah, I have 34 active plugins. If we go to active plugins, okay, add inserter. I use this plugin to create some videos on the website, or maybe I'm adding my, yeah, maybe to adding the ads on the website. And then Akismet anti-spam plugin. I need to update my website. Yeah, I'm gonna update after because I'm going to create a video about update. So yeah, I'm gonna update after. Then I use anti-malware plugin. Really nice plugin, guys. If you are not using this plugin, I highly recommend you to use this plugin. Free plugin. I'm using it from so many years now and really helped me to make my website safe. I highly recommend you use this plugin. Then I'm using Extra Widgets. I'm not using Elementor Pro. Shaveen, I know you are going to create a website for a client with Elementor Pro, but I prefer to use some free plugins to extend the functionality of Elementor Page Builder. So Extra Widget, then backup duplicator migration, WP staging. This is to create a staging website. I recently created a video about it, that how we can create a staging website. This video, like 3 minutes. So before you do anything big on your website, you should create a staging website, and by this plugin you can create a staging website in just a couple of minutes. Real nice plugin. Then I have contact form 7 plugin. Everybody knows about it. It's one of the most downloaded contact form plugin on WordPress. Then I have contact form CFDB7. Big name, but this is a plugin just to create a database of the submissions on your website. So when somebody submit contact form on my website, I just save those details in a database instead of just getting by email, because sometimes you miss the emails. So even if some email got in spam or junk, or by any reason, maybe by any reason my website is not processing the forms, the email was not working, this plugin saves everything on my website, so I will not miss any submission on my website. Then I use cookie yes, GDPR cookie consent plugin, which is very important by EU law, and also in some countries it is really important to use this, otherwise you can get fined. I don't remember exactly, but I think there are one of $5 million of fine just in UK because people are not using the cookie consent plugin. It was on a lot of websites. So yes, I highly recommend you, if you got traffic from these countries, you should use this plugin. Not just from these countries, you should, I think you should highly, you should be highly transparent with your visitors on your website. So when you use this plugin, it shows a cookie consent on your website, so people can see that you are using, you are saving some, like cookies on their computers, and what are third party cookies you are using. Highly recommend plugin. Then I use disable right click plugin I created by ChatGPT. I created a video about it. Yeah, ChatGPT please code a plugin for me. So this is that plugin I use on my website to disable right click. Then duplicate page, Elementor page builder, Elementor header and footer builder. Then this another plugin to extend functionality of Elementor, essential add-ons for Elementor. Then health check and troubleshooting came default by WordPress, iTheme security, Lightspeed cache, manage W worker, Redis object cache. Real real nice plugin if your website is highly dynamic or you're using a e-commerce website. I highly recommend you to use Redis object cache plugin. It just do not make your website faster for front end, even for back ends also. Highly recommended plugin you should use, Redis object cache. I created videos about Redis object cache recently. There are two videos about Redis cache. If you can have Redis cache on website, perfect thing. Otherwise, you can use memcached, which is the same technique, but memcache is a little lighter and perfect for most of the websites. And if you want to know the difference between Redis cache and memcached, you can watch this video where I explain everything in just 100 seconds, that which one is best for you. Okay, then start Sitekit by Google. You should use this plugin if you are using AdSense. It will show you everything, your analytics, your webmaster tool, your AdSense, everything. Start templates, Updraft plus backup for backup restore, WooCommerce, then WooCommerce payment, WooCommerce PayPal payments, WordFence security, W polls server and voting system, table builder, W optimize to optimize database, WP code Lite. I don't know when I use this one. Maybe I have to remove this plugin. W forms Lite, Yoast duplicate post, and Yoast SEO. So this was the all plugin I'm using on my website. Okay, Gabriel, why do you use header and footer builder? Can you build header footer with Elementor? No, with Elementor free version, you cannot create header and footer. You need to buy Elementor Pro to create header and footer. But if you use this plugin, you can create this header and footer free of cost. You don't need to buy Elementor Pro. So that's why I'm using this plugin. Here you go. So this is a free plugin, and you can see it have more than 1 million plus active installations. So as you can see, have you imagined you create your website header and footer with Elementor for free? So this is the whole purpose behind this plugin, and real nice plugin. You can see they got almost 5-star rating. Like you can see here, like only 12 people among 2000 said it's like 1 star, and I think people can have different reasons to give this kind of ratings, but yes, most of the people give 5-star rating. So I highly recommend this plugin if you're using Elementor page builder, or if you just want things simpler, you can buy Elementor Pro and then create your header and footer there. Coder World, okay, yes, we're gonna come back. I'm gonna check your website URL and we're gonna do an audit on your website. Oh wow, 14 people on live chat. Oh, who new came to the chat? Can you guys who is new here just say hi, hello, anything so we know who you are? Because you cannot see who is joining the live stream, but if somebody comments, you can see their names. Shaveen, but if you have Elementor Pro, you can get rid of many plugins. Yeah, you can get rid of many plugins, but these plugins come with different kind of functionality. For example, I use this plugin, for example, Elementor Elements. I don't remember this one. Essential add-ons for Elementor. This plugin, they give more features than Elementor Pro. They have more elements than Elementor Pro. Of course, they got their own Pro version, but still, you can have different kind of elements which Elementor cannot provide. Aksa Amin, welcome back to the chat. How are you? Yeah, I'm sorry, Aksa. Last week the stream got cancelled because of some technical issue. I updated in the post that we are not going live. I'm sorry about that. But now the issue is solved. We're gonna go live every Wednesday. Okay. Shavin said Gabriel Fried is using Elementor free version, right? Yeah, I believe in free things. This channel is free for everyone. And then if you have a, I don't have any problem with pro versions, pro things. But yes, if you have free things available, why not use them? Because I believe in open source community. So if I create something great, I just want to share with people and expect same in return. But yes, if you want to save time, you can use pro versions. They are real nice. And who doesn't like free things? Hello, Jasmine Azman, welcome. How are you? Hello, Speed God. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for the compliment. Some people say Speed Guru, Speed God. Speed God is a good name for a YouTube channel, by the way. No, this, yeah, that's kind of good, but then the channel gonna be just for about speed. Yeah, I'm still deciding on the name. I kind of put in like, how to say, on hold to think about the new name. For now, I'm just focusing on the content because I have a normal work also. So when I get time, I create these YouTube videos to help everyone. So yeah, when we'll have more time, I will think about the channel name. He made my website so fast. Thank you so much, Jasmine. I'm happy to help. Hit the like button, guys. Yes, guys, hit the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel to grow. Can we, Jasmine, can we use multiple CDN on a website? Sorry, I'm new. No, you cannot use. You can use, but you not need. You're just gonna make things complicated for your website. Just use one CDN. Like you can use the free one from WordPress if you're using W fastest cache plugin or Jetpack, or you can use a very good CDN which is Cloudflare. I created a video about it, like how to implement Cloudflare. Where is the video? This one, how to set Cloudflare. Highly recommended video. Free CDN, free security for website, free speed boost for a website. Okay, my speed was 100 on GT metrics. After monetizing website AdSense, it got slow. How to fix it? Welcome to the live chat, The Vengeance. Can you submit your website URL here? Here's the link, and then you can submit your website URL so that I can know what is your website and we can do the live audit. Let's say Speed Guru. Yeah, that I can accept. That's real nice name, Speed Guru. Thank you, guys. No, yeah, no pressure. Love your comments. Thank you so much. Yeah, you're right, Shavin. Because I'm thinking I create so many videos on my channel, and some of them real nice videos, but they're not, how you say, they're gaining that traction, but not how I expected. Because sometimes I see video about like speed, it got like 200,000 views, and the content in that video is like really, really bad, like bad quality. And then I create so many detailed videos about core web vital speed and so many things which you cannot find easily on YouTube. And those videos are like not so much views. So I thought maybe it's the channel name, because when I pronounce my channel name myself, I say, let's create your website. So let's create a website, like four word name, and I say let's create your website. It's for when I hear my channel name myself, I'm like, no, this is not the best name. Maybe that might be the reason the channel is not getting as much traction as I was expecting. So yeah, that's the concern behind the channel name. Okay, why we have this? Okay, we have this. I just want to see, we have this big logo here. If you use two different cache plugins at the same time, are using two cache plugins. Will they conflict with each other? Kind of break functionality code. Yeah, man, makes sense. Like it's like driving two bikes at the same time. Doesn't fulfill any purpose, and I don't know how to explain this. Doesn't make sense to use different cache plugin. Use only one cache plugin, whichever works for your website. If you have small website, use WP Cache plugin or W Super Cache. If you have big website and you really want the big scores, then you can use Lightspeed Cache plugin. Not two plugins same time. Not at all. I will recommend you. The coder world, which hosting provider you recommend for hosting WordPress websites? Man, depends on your website. You can use any hosting provider. All of them nice depending on website. If you have a small website, you can use any hosting provider and you can still have good websites too. But I highly recommend Edu hosting and CloudWiz, which I use personally also. HostGator is nice. No, HostGator is like kind of okay hosting, and hosting is first start is a good hosting. Then Fast Comment is nice. There's so many hosts there. If you know what kind of website you are going to run, then you can choose any host and get good results. Use some free plugins and Cloudflare. You can have a really nice website. Jasmine Azman, does Cloudflare CDN conflicts with Lightspeed Quick? I'm so confused. Yes, it can create a conflict, so I would not recommend you to use both the CDNs at the same time. But yes, if you use Cloudflare, you can get security benefit from Cloudflare. So you can use both of them together because Cloudflare is not just CDN, it does a lot more than that. The venture, this is my website link. Can you check and analyze? Yes, we're gonna start the live stream soon. Sorry, live audit soon. I hope you sent your website URL in audit. Okay, so I received 3 website URL until now. Which one is yours? I received one from Uthman, second from Ajoy, and third from Shiraz Ahmed. I haven't received your The Vengeance. Which one is your website URL? Let me know. Asif Khan, welcome to the live chat, live stream. Hello, I have an issue with my Lightspeed Cache plugin. Excluded post thumbnail from lazy load, but still lazy loading and slowing down the website. We're gonna submit your website URL. We're gonna check everything. Yeah, I recommend Edu hosting for sure because I host my website for Edu hosting. And when you go to Edu hosting, they're like not very expensive and they really provide good features. For example, you say for $6 per month, you can have NVMe SSDs and like Turbo Boost, which is their own thing, and you can have 20 times faster website. So yeah, that's why I do not recommend anything which I don't use. So I personally use for most of my website Edu hosting. Then I use some website on Cloudflare, Cloudways also. So yeah, that's why I recommend Edu hosting. Your tutorial, Madhav Yadula. Hi Madhav, welcome to the live stream. Your tutorials helped me a lot. Thank you so much. I'm happy to hear that. If my tutorials helped you a lot, I'm really happy. This was the whole reason behind this channel, like just to help people out. Because when I was learning a lot of stuff, I learned everything from YouTube and for free. Not everything. Okay, I did studies. I did my engineering. Uh, so I already had the knowledge, but a lot of knowledge I gathered from internet for free. So that's why I like, okay, let's start a channel and teach people what I learned in my career. Sorry. Jasmine, can you show SEO techniques? Yeah, why not? Maybe someday I can show SEO techniques. There's nothing hidden, nothing secret about SEO techniques. Farhan, can I use Object Cache plugin with Lightspeed Cache plugin and the different plugins? Man, if you use Lightspeed Cache plugin, you do not need different Object Cache plugin. For example, if I show you the Lightspeed Cache, if I go here and then I go to cache and then you go here object And you can see here memcache and Redis extension. So Lightspeed cache plugin is already doing the work what a object cache plugin will do. So it's like you do not need a different or separate object cache plugin if you're using Lightspeed cache on your website. Hope that answers your question. Check it now. Check it now. I update the link of my website. Okay, I will check. Okay, vengeance. Okay, yeah, we're gonna start soon. Just let's see if somebody don't have small questions, because audits can take very long time. Hit the like button. Yeah, man. Thank you. Thank you, Jasmine Asman. Thank you for doing this for us, Abhishek. Thank you so much. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to it and just share with your friends and family who you think it can be beneficial for them. We are like almost 6,000 subscribers. Yeah, 5.67. So 5,670 subscribers. Like just around 300 subscribers is 6,000. But yes, this channel should be like that will my target to grow this channel like much more faster. And Shaveen, look, we changed the name here from Let's Create Your Website. Now we are like Let's Create Website. Maybe I'll remove Let's and we have just Create Website. The coder world. I followed your video to set up Lightspeed. Thank you so much. I hope you successfully use the plugin. The vengeance, yes, I can wait, but I don't think for long. I have to go for dinner. Yeah, okay. We'll try to audit your website very soon. Yeah, man. Okay, so let's check in the order. What? Just I want to share my website, but I am shy because I sell copyrighted merchandises. Why you do that? Why you share this information with us? Okay, 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 so let's do one thing. Let's start live stream. We are already like 44 minutes. And guys, when I want to tell you, when I do this live stream, when I audit any website, it's important for everyone. For example, you don't say, okay, where's my website? When you gonna visit audit my website, guys? If I mention something, the rules applicable for all the website, and you're gonna learn something with any website audit. So be patient and try to understand when I explain something about different website. So just don't say, okay, where's my website? And I'm gonna audit your website too, but still you can learn so many things maybe which is not in your mind right now. But when I audit different website, you can see, okay, wow, I can also apply this technique. So that kind of like really helpful for you also of a different website you are. Okay. Okay, so let's start the audits. Okay, I'm gonna start from Shiraz Ahmed. I think we took your website last time also. No? So this is the first website we're going to audit. You are most welcome, Codeover. Okay, I'm trying to load the website because of live streaming. I think it's, or maybe my internet is a little bit slow today. Let me just check on another computer. Okay, 70 people are watching now. Wow, this is the best score ever on this. Okay, Shiraz, so your website, what is your concern? I think by design you need a menu here. Like, seems like you have a nice website, but put a menu here. Man, nobody understand what's happening here. Maybe just one or two links. Okay. About me, nice, very clean website. I like this. Where are the images? Ah, this was the issue that you're not loading the images. Hmm. Seems like you haven't added any image here. Can you give us a little bit of detail about this section, Shiraz, in the live chat? I cannot see any image here. The image is here. If this, I think you haven't added image or you want this section to look like this. Portfolio nice. Oh, nice website, very clean website. I like your website. Just put a menu here. I would like to say this. I know you want to make it a little bit offbeat, but still, navigation helps. Navigation helps on your website, and also it helps the search engine rankings. When you have like menus well connected on your website rank better in search engine. Okay, what else you want to check for your website? You want to check the speed of website. And by the way, what plugin you are using? Seems you're not using any speed optimization plugin. Shiraz, can you let us know in the chat that which optimization plugin you're using on your website? Because as far I can see, you're not using any optimization plugin on your website. Let us know in comments. Okay, I think Shiraz is not in the chat anymore. He just dropped the email and then he's not in the chat. So, okay, let's quickly finish this. Okay, you're scoring 77 on mobile devices. The issue is FCP, LCP, and speed index. And we can see here the 3 frames, they're like empty. So, of course, you're going to have FCP, LCP. I don't see a big issue with CLS. So, yeah, you can see CLS is fine here. And then, okay, this thing. For desktop, Shiraz is scoring 95. Good job, man. Okay, so let's see the issues. Okay, man, you're not using any speed optimization plugin. Looks like. So maybe I suggest you to use the speed optimization plugin, and then you're gonna get your score gonna improve. These 3 frames they're gonna be not empty, and you will have better CLS, better FCP and LCP scores. Just use the optimization plugin. You can use Lightspeed Cache plugin. I created a video about it. You can watch on the channel, and take the back of your website. And the best thing will be to implement it on a staging website, because this is advanced plugin and sometimes it can break the website. For example, if you go to this website, I'm talking about this video, and the whole procedure is under description. Sometimes people don't read description, just watch video and just skip the video, and then okay, they have some problems. But no, if you watch the videos like from starting to end, you will find a lot of good content, and then your website not broke. Okay, so I shown here is, you need to watch this video first. There's the video, and then you create a staging website, and then if you save, and then if you face some issues, you can watch the part 2 and part 3 for common issues and fixes for Lightspeed Cache plugin. So I recommend you to implement Lightspeed Cache plugin, and then your score will definitely improve. You're already scoring 77 for your website. Okay, when someone visit, okay. Yeah, Avengers, we're gonna come on your website URL in a moment, like very soon. Jasmine Azman Shiraz is gone like the menu. That's what I noticed the first. Like, guys, if you can also look here, like, what do you think? You just come here, like, okay, something is missing. But yeah, maybe it's just my point of view. It's a one-page website, looks like. Okay, let's do the next website audit. So next website, I received the coderworld.com from Ajoy. Okay, now I know your name is Ajoy, Coder World. Okay, so looks like you're using a theme for blog website. I know this theme, I don't remember the name. What theme you're using? JNews theme. Okay, looks like a real nice theme and clean website. Your website is not very, how you say, it's too much of content. Looks very clean. I like the look of a website for a blog or And this kind of a news website is really nice theme. JNews theme, okay. And I think you customize it very well. Nice navigation item, I like it. With this effect. Featured post, real nice. Nice effect. I like your website. Okay, then you have. I have nothing to say on design. Design looks really, really nice. And you put your ads on right places. You're not just putting them everywhere. So yeah, that's a really good thing about your website. I liked it. You have an ad here, one in the footer, which people can just hide. And then on right side you have ads. So yeah, that's real nice. Very clean website. I like your website. Congratulations, Ajoy, for this website. I have nothing to add for your website design or something here. Let's see if he's facing CLS or not. So guys, as you know what is CLS, if this section is here and then after ad load it moves down, that's called CLS. So without testing the website, let's see if this website is facing CLS or not. No, you can see here there's already space reserved. So for example, the ad loaded is loaded inside the reserved space. So I'm sure it is not facing the CLS issue. So Coder World, I forget what you say. Coder World is my YouTube channel name. Okay, perfect. So what was the issue? Let me check the Coder World. What was the question? Edu hosting WordPan. Okay, good. Do you have any particular question about website Coder World? Okay, my desktop performance. Okay, let's analyze the website and then see. There we go. Oh, 14 people live stream. Okay, so Coder World, a joy. You are having 75 for mobile devices and 97 for desktop devices. Core Web Vitals looks real nice on your website. Just one TTFB, which is not a big issue. It's gonna be solved. And for mobile devices also, it's really nice, not so bad. FCP, if you solve some things, FCP will be fine. Okay, so let's see. Okay, reduce unused JavaScript. Man, you can see what is the issue on your website. All these ads, all these scripts, they are. But okay, look what's happening here. You can see 1, 2, 3. You're using the same script 3 times, not 3 times, 4 times. You're loading the same script 4 times. So it is adding load on your website. Like why you're adding the same script 4 times on the website? If JS script is the same file, you do not need it 4 times. So this you can really do to make your website really fast. I think that's the only issue with the website. And if you're using, what page builder you're using on your website? Okay, seems like you're using Elementor page builder or which one? Let's see. Okay, seems you're not using the Elementor page builder. Are you using it page builder by JNews theme? What page builder you're using? Can you let us know in comments? How did you reply to my name, Shavin? Yeah, I also want to know how you reply to somebody's name. Okay, looks like you're using some default element from the theme or like page builder from the theme. It's not. Ah, it's WP Bakery Builder, if I'm not wrong. Okay, So for you, what you can do is get rid of these things because this is the biggest contribution for your website speed. You can see 1.41 second, which is in red. And if you just can cut this 4 scripts to one, because you don't need same script 4 times, just use one and your score will gonna be really high. With ads, this is a problem. Like you always have problem with ads. It's really hard to get 100 out of 100 scores. Yeah, same thing. If you're gonna, because these scripts are not just affecting this matrix, they affect other matrix too. So for example, like JavaScript also. So if you're gonna remove these things which you don't need, 3 of them, you're gonna have really high scores. So yeah, that's what you can do. For desktop, I think you're not having any issues. Reduce initial server response time. I think when you're gonna remove this script, you're gonna have better scores. Okay, so let's see what's happening in chat. Then we go back to the another website audit. Vengeance, do you also make apps? Yes, I used to make apps. Yeah, sometimes I just work for my own projects, but not too much about apps. But yes, I have knowledge. Many years before, I used to work on. I was a Apple app developer, and then I used to create some apps for mobiles also. But nowadays, I'm more focused on websites and speed and cybersecurity. W Bakery, yeah, that's why I noticed. So just do this thing, and the website will be really fast. And guys, maybe you can drop in the chat where you guys are from. That would be like really fun to know that who is from where. Like Shaveen, I know is from Sri Lanka, if I'm not wrong, Shaveen. Yeah, just let me know where you guys from. Can we work together on my project? I'm sorry, man. I already got my work and I just do this YouTube thing for helping people, and it's like a hobby. So I have no time to work on a project. I'm really sorry. Thank you for the offer, but I cannot. Okay, so let's take another website. Othman. Othman, where are you from? So this will be new website we're going to audit today. And guys, you can also audit the website with me. Like when I give session, you can also give a session in comment box. Okay, that's why I thought it's a French website. Othman, where from? I live in Paris, man. Guys, can you read this? Boostez votre présence en ligne avec notre agence digitale. Okay, Google, stop. Okay, Uthman, by design, website looks real nice. Nothing to say here. Everything is real nice. Everything looks good. For design, I do not have any critical recommendation. But yes, if you want something, I think you should give a break here in design. You can see all these sections like into each other, and there's no separation. There's no sense of separation between these elements. So maybe you can just give a little like small line here or anything, maybe something which makes this section different, because right now the flow is not breaking. You start your website here and then everything is going like one page thing. For example, here this section ends and then you have big image here, so we can see there is separation between these two sections. Same here, you can see the separation, same here. But if you go here on the top, I recommend you like you should make some separation among these things. The 1 2 3 this section, there should be some separation. Let me see inner page. Yeah, looks fine, perfect. I have nothing to some critical point of view to give for your website design. Looks really nice, great job. Okay, so let's, I'm sure you also want your website audit for speed. Yeah, his website, Othman, Morocco. Okay, Jasmine Azman, I'm from Malaysia. Shiraz, I'm from Pakistan. Uthman, Morocco. Raman, Bharat. Uthman, Morocco. Croissant. He's from Morocco. Why is it croissant? You should. What is the? I got a lot of Moroccan friends here in Paris. Even I got a name. His friend is also Uthman. Thanks for suggestion. Vengeance Bihar. Smash the like button, guys. Yes, man. Do smash the like button. We have 20 people live stream, guys. You can see here. It's so amazing. 20 people live stream. I think it's the best crowd ever. Okay, so Uthman, let's see. Let's audio website for speed. While the results are loading, let's check the chat. Okay, Farhan Tech, how to edit AdSense ad script to avoid same JS script adding multiple times. How you use at your site. Man, just where you're adding the script, don't add it 4 times. Like, I don't know how you're adding this on your website. If you want, you can just use Google Sitekit plugin, and then you can put ads on your website. So it will not add like the script 4 times, because now what I think, you just take the code, put one place, take the code second, third, fourth. So you're adding it 4 times. But when you put like one place, you will have add just one time, not the 4 times, because the same script. And if you use the Google Sitekit plugin, I think gonna help you to have get rid of all those things. I created a whole video on Google PageSpeed, sorry, Google Sitekit. If you just go to my channel here and then search here Google Sitekit, yeah, this one, and you can see the whole video about Google Sitekit. Javeen and Jasmine are teasing each other. Okay, where? Okay. Let's go back to the audit. Okay, so this is the website Othman. Performance 57 for mobile devices, and for laptop devices 80. Not bad. It can be achieved much. It can be much better. So yes, of course you are facing issues. You can see 5 frames. They're showing nothing. So yeah, of course the FCP LCP gonna be really bad as expected. You can see 4.6 second, 9.3 seconds. You don't have issue with CLS because you can see there's no shifting here in design. So the CLS is really nice. Total blocking time 100 ms. Good. I think, what plugin you are using, Othman, on your website? WPO Minify. I know this plugin. I forgot the name of the plugin which you are using on your website to optimize the site. Can you let us know the name of the plugin, Othman, in comments? What are you using to optimize the website? Okay, the biggest issue for you is like reduce initial server response time. So from what I can see, you don't have a lot of blocking resources on your website. There's only like 170 KB. So I think you are not using the best hosting. That makes, if you can tell me like more details, I can give more insight. But for now, because you have just only 2 scripts here which are in blocking way, and then these also like not very big scripts. So yeah, but you have big issue with 3 seconds for the initial server response time. I created a video about it. You can just go here and search. There's a video about it, and in this video I explain why you are facing initial server response time. and how we can fix those issues. I did not cover in all detail that how we can fix everything, because it's going to take a lot of time, and I already created videos on those topics. So talking the same thing again and again is not very interesting. So what you can do, you can watch this video, and in the comments I add the videos what you need to follow to get the best scores if you're facing the issue with initial server response time or TDFB on your website. So for now, I think your website is seems fine. If you just change the hosting, you will have really, really nice scores. But we can Outlook hosting. Yeah, that's why. What is Outlook hosting? Coder World, can you audit my other website? Yeah, I can do, but after when other people, because we already have, I think, 3 more people to audit, and then I'm gonna audit your website. Shiraz Ahmed, sir, I want to also share my website with you. Yes, Shiraz, you can, but we already did audit for your website, Shiraz. I think this is the first audit we did for your website. This is your website. If you go back to live stream, you're gonna see we audited your website completely. Yeah, me too, man. What is Outlook hosting? Let's see. I think you're hosting on maybe OneDrive or something. Othman, can you let us know more about Outlook hosting, because I don't know with what is this hosting. Or I suggest you, if you just watch this video, Lightspeed Cache plugin, and read the description and follow the steps here. First watch this video, then create a test website, and then implement Lightspeed Cache. This plugin, this video. Yeah, I'm gonna add this video in live stream, so it will be easy for you to implement, and then use this plugin. You're gonna have really nice scores. And then maybe in the next live stream we can talk about it. How did it go with this hosting? If you can have good scores if you Lightspeed Cache plugin, because Lightspeed is really, really the boss plugin. Okay. When my time will come. Vengeance, we audit your website, no? Okay. We haven't. Now it's your time. You see, we have all this request. Now is your time. Okay. Guys, you have to be patient. For me, I'm the single person and I need to audit website, all these websites. So yes, sometimes it can take delay. I'm really sorry about it. But yes, it is what it is. Okay, so let's do the Vengeance website, and I'm doing this audits in, like you can see, in systematic way. So first, second, third, fourth, we are going like this. You can, I think you cannot see my screen. Let me show you. Let me take a screenshot of my email, and then I show you how I'm doing this audits. So if you see the screenshot, guys, so first I received this in this order, like first website I audited, 2, 3, we did 3 website. Now I'm on the Vengeance website. So this is the order, how we're gonna audit the website. So who served first, the website gonna be served first. When your time comes, only God knows. Okay, so let's do the website of Vengeance. Go Street. Okay, this is an e-commerce website. Yeah, by design, I think you should. I don't like this fonts here. Like using 2 different fonts, like real lot of different fonts on your website. This different, here's different, this one is different. I recommend you to maybe make this font like this one's. Maybe use this one. What are you using, or with this one? Like this really, they're like really outs of the, even they're not matching with your logo. So your logo can be different and you can use different fonts on website, but this has to change. And then yeah, looks very small. We cannot even see what is written on this images here. Like what is saying here? Like this image is having some text, but we cannot read it. So like you need to change this thing. Make them center line or change the position of the text, because I think it's not text on the image, it's text inside the image. Okay, so that's will a design session for your website. And then high quality products, you have a section here for your products on website. This one change it, man. Why you're using all big section and there's no information here? Maybe instead what you can do, make 3 columns here, 1, 2 and 3, and then use 3 different products to showcase here, which are like mega discount or high quality products. Like one, this is making the section really boring. Yeah, this section best mobile deals. I recommend you to give some space between these two sections. You can see, like, give some more space between these two sections, like too much into each other. And then everything looks nice. Same session for this section, best deal for this week. Change it for 3, or I don't know, make it maybe show more information about this product here, then fill this section. So that can be another nice thing to improve your design. Same thing. What is it? Ad? Oh man, same thing. It has to be, you have to focus on this thing. The whole big section here, it looks really bad. Maybe put some more sections here, or put on the left and then put some right text here. Like this is looking not very professional. I'm sure on mobile device they look much better, but not on desktop devices. So let's, if let me see your website on mobile devices, how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks on mobile device. Man, your arrows are too much into inside, and this section you need to change. Like this is not working very well. You need to work on this section. Wow. Okay. Yeah, mobile it looks much better. You can see this design here, it's justified. I'm totally ready with this. I'm sorry, I like this design on mobile devices, not on desktop. And also put some more space between this heading and the section above. Mobile it is looking really nice. Not this section. This looks really bad. Like maybe remove the background, everything here. I don't know what form you're using here. Let's see. It looks like the Elementor default form. It's not contact form 7. Yeah, it's Elementor widget. So just change this thing. Just remove this gray color. Keep it black and white on the top. It is not a contact form. It is just links. Okay, it looks like it is a contact form. The fields they're like, I don't know, guys. Do you also think the same thing? What I thought? Let me know in comments, because this looks like a contact form. Okay, this is not contact form. They're just links. So man, I recommend you to just get rid of this gray background. Use black, and then there's no purpose of having this white background and this list dots in front of these items. Like get rid of those things. You need to have like simple plain text, maybe in white color, these 3 links. Same thing with this one. And why you have this separate section? If you have Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, why you are showing this here? They're just adding load on your website. The more elements you have on your website, the slower it will load. So you do not need, either keep this section or this section. I suggest you to keep this one. Look much better. Get rid of this whole thing. Make money with us. Same thing, just put links here. Same thing here. We put links. And then we cannot see this section. So just push this section above. Okay, so this was the design point of view from my side. Let's do speed analyze of your website. Oops. So what's happening in chat? Why is the name Ghost Street? Yeah, good question. Let us know why is the name Ghost Street. Is the search Ajax? Let's see if the search is Ajax. Yeah, looks like it's Ajax. So if I check Sunflame, yeah, it's a Shavin, it's the Ajax search. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, 69 and desktop 90. What CMS you are using? Doesn't look like you're using WordPress. What is the CMS? Can you let us know? Okay, you're using WordPress. Okay. So what are the issues? 3.67 FCP, LCP. We can see here the four previews are like blank. The four frames are blank. Okay, makes sense. And what are the real issues? Let's see. Reduce unused CSS. Okay. There's huge CSS which you are not using on your website. I think I created a video about this a few times back. Let me search if I create the video or not. Yeah, okay. Use this plugin. Asset Cleaner plugin. Identify which CSS you are not using on your website and unload them at least from your home page. Watch this video. This video gonna be really helpful for you. I'm gonna put the link of this video in the description so you can watch it. Save that video. It was more fast for mobile and desktop, but after AdSense got slow. Of course, AdSense adds a lot of data on your website. So yeah, it had a lot of scripts on the website, gonna get slow. But you're using Lightspeed Cache plugin, it should not be so low. But watch this video, that's gonna help you a lot. So you can get a lot of CSS from here, which you do not need if you watch this tutorial, which I shared in the chat. This one. Okay, let's see what else. Render blocking time, same thing. If you can get rid of this CSS, you will improve this time also. I think you're just really close to have really good scores on your website. Just solve one thing and you will have really good scores. I think I can expect more than 90 scores for website like with very minimal effort. Try to identify which scripts you are not using for CSS and try to unload them for your website, and all this issue will be solved. Yeah, I think it's not so hard to solve this issue for website, but I highly recommend you that you work on your website design, because for me it's very confusing design. You need to work on your website design a little bit, and especially this banner, because this is the first thing when somebody comes on your website, they see this thing and it is not at all nice. You have to change it. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. If you solve this, you're fine and your website will be really fast. Shiraz Ahmed, my internet got stuck. Man, if you got stuck, go back and check the live stream where I audited your website. You can go back in live stream and then you can check. I think your website was the first one we audited in today's live stream. Yeah, footer could be improved. Yeah, footer could be improved. Let's see. Yeah, footer could. Yeah, I would like. Footer is not at all the best footer. Okay, so let's see what's happening in live chat. My internet got stuck. It was more fast. I don't know why my website is different on computer. Man, why your website is different on my computer? I don't know. Yeah, because it's a big laptop. You cannot just say your website why it is bad on your computer. When you think about responsiveness, you have to think about all devices. This device I'm using is a 17.3-inch Alienware. If I check on my 13-inch Ultrabook, which is the other one I use, I'm sure maybe this one, I think this your website will look much different than other device, even for mobile device. So yeah, what you can do, you can check your website responsiveness, go to inspect, like right click your website, go to inspect, and then use these three dots and dock to the bottom. Okay, and now click on this mobile icon, and now you can check the responsiveness of different devices. So this is how it will look. You can see here the numbers are increasing. So if on 14 pixel wide MacBook, I don't know how much is MacBook, it will look something like this. And if I click on responsiveness, you can select different devices from here. So yes, this was how you can know. Okay, so let's move to next website. Yeah, Shiraz, thank you. Okay, so let's move to next website audit. Okay, next website is from Jimmy. And guys, I hope you are all subscribed to the channel. So let's see website of Jimmy. Oh wow. What is the website, Jimmy? Shavin, any comments on this website? I'm sure you have so many comments on this website. And guys, you can also know your comments on this website. Okay, Jimmy, I suggest you need to really improve your website design game. I can see you implement this nice cookie consent, but rest of it, I think you need to focus more on website design. What is the website? Is it WordPress website? Okay, it is a WordPress website. Yeah, but man, choose a nice theme. Like this website is not best in terms of design, and it's really easy to have nice design. Watch this video, Jimmy. This I recently created a video and so many other videos about website development. Watch this one. Follow this video, and you can really turn your website into very different, amazing website design in like 1 hour. I think 1 hour is a very long time for this video because I talk about a lot of things. But if you just focus on start template, watch this video, and you can really transform your website design. I honestly, you need to change your website design, which is not really hard. You can do it very easily, very easily. Just follow this video. And for your help, I'm gonna add the link of this video. This video is 1 hour, but in starting I explain how to get domain name, hosting, and a lot of different things. Just follow the part where you design the website. Okay, here's the video. Okay, Shavin, bon appetit. Have a nice dinner. So yes. Okay, so you want us to look your website for page speed? Okay, let's do it. No, I think I've chosen the wrong URL. And let's see how many more websites we have. So we have other websites from Ajoy, different website. Okay, we're gonna do this after this audit. And guys, share the channel with everyone. You are here, and like if you find some value of this channel, share with everyone. And I hope you already subscribe to the channel. Okay, so moneymetrics.in. Man, for scores, you're getting really good scores. I have nothing to say here. 90 and 99, and I know why you're scoring really good scores, because your website design is really simple. Like you have no, I think just one image here and then just text. So that's why you're scoring high. So when you will have better design, you will have more challenges on your website to optimize it. But for now, yes, you are doing fine. So let me know in comments if you want something specific to be audited on your website. What do you want me to audit on your website? Let me know in comments. Asif Khan, where's your website? Asif, where's your website? I cannot see your website submission. These are the emails I received, Asif. Can you see my screen? I cannot see your website submission here. Check the link here. You can see this link here. here, go here and submit your website. When you click here, you will go to this page, website audit. It's a free website audit. Put your name, your email, your URL. You have to choose, are you a website subscriber or not. I hope better you will be a website subscriber, sorry, YouTube subscriber, and then you submit, and then you can have your website audited. Like, if you haven't sent me the website URL, how would I know, how would I audit your website? But still we have time, so just send your website, submit your website, and we're gonna audit your website. Okay, so there was nothing much on money metrics website. If just let me know, Jimmy, if you want something specific to be audited on your website in comments, and maybe we can do your website visit again. Okay, so let's go to the next website given by a Joy. Okay, again a blog website, man. I think you're using the same thing, but used on different website. I think there should be like same tips for you, like because you're using the same thing and your design very similar. So, what do you really want me to audit? The website design or speed? Okay. So yeah, VLC assist. Nice, nice. You're not using ads yet on the website. I think this score should be higher than your other website you submitted before. Jasmine Azman, why, how I, my, if you haven't submitted, how it will you on the list? Submit your website. I add this URL here. Click on this one. Submit your website for the audit. Okay, let's see. Yeah, as I expected, Ajoy is scoring high because you're not using ads, and I'm sure you already optimized your website. Not bad, not bad. 83.98. I think the same session like before. I give you another website. Because we are like 1 hour 30 minutes in the stream. So okay, so we have two more websites. First is I just received website of Asif Khan and Jasmine Azman. Okay, so these two gonna be last audits for today. And if you have any other questions to ask, just let me know in comments. Okay, so let's take this website of Asif Khan. Let's pick best. Okay, nice website. I know what theme you're using. I recently saw this theme. Very nice, very clean website. So let's pick the best 15 best Amazon home decor. Glass top dining table. Okay, latest post. Clean website. You don't have a lot of content on your website, but I don't think I can comment anything on design for now because you do not have a lot of content. But whatever you have looks real nice. Congratulations, you made a real nice website. Very clean, and choice of fonts and everything is real nice. Okay, you're about us privacy policy terms and condition. Okay, add more some. For example, I see this category here. I say to add a couple of categories here in your menu link. It will be easy for you when you're gonna go for the Google AdSense to get your website approved. If you have this. Okay, so you have 3 posts only from the same category. Okay, so what I would recommend you first add more content on your website. If you're looking for Google AdSense, then add more content on your website. And we're gonna do a website speed audit, but let me know if you want something specific to visit to audit on like website design or something. I want my money metrics to stay simple and unique because the motto of money metrics is to promote masculinity and business money. Man, you can promote what you want, but it's not simple. It's just like if you want me to ask in like simple words, like horrible design. This is a design of like 20 years ago. You can have simple website. There are a lot of simple, like for example, look at this one. This is a very simple website, but if you compare this one and this one, let's Even this website, you can see everything is like left line, like nothing is in a line. You need to work. Here is the logo on left, extreme left, and right side you have nothing. So it's not about like you want to have the website simple. If you want my honest advice, this is like not the best design. Change the design, make it simple, something like this one. You can keep this design same like this, but make it more like, I don't know, appealing, like easy for the people. For now, it looks for me, it's an ads website. I see everything is an ad. Everything looks like a Google ad here, and I need to click on this thing. And what do you mean to buy is to promote masculinity and business money? I don't see any masculinity in your website. Okay, yeah, I see. At the end rotates LS strategy 2023. Man, do what you want to promote, but yeah, change the design. That's my honest advice. Okay, so where we were at this website, okay, let's pick the best. So let's do the audit of speed. Add more content. Website looks really nice. I really am really happy with the design. Everything looks very clear, but we'll see more when you will add more content, how everything got arranged on the website. Okay, while it's editing, let's check the comments. No, I want it to look bold and classic as Matrix movie. Okay, man, if you like it like that, okay, that's your choice. Okay, perfect. So your side is scoring only 99 and 98, so I think there's no point of giving any advice here. You have reduced initial server response time, but you're already scoring 99, so yeah. I think I cannot suggest you anything for audit here. Let me know what you want me to comment on your website in chat or in like URL. Okay, so next Jasmine website. Oh, finally she added the website URL. Shaveen, can you see she was like, I'm not gonna add the website URL, but now she given the website URL. Okay, so here is the website of Asmin. Jasmine, this is your website. The merchmaker.com. Ah, it's like very Etsy like design. Yeah, I like the design. A nice website. I like it. Maybe you can make this things bolder, like these things bold. Nice. I like it. The big menu is very popular. Let's see. Let's open the Etsy website so we can compare the website. Okay, so this Jasmine website, this Etsy website. Okay, I was right. So it looks very similar like this. And yeah, maybe you can make this bolder like Etsy, like how they did it. Something bold here, icons. So yeah, that's the thing. And that's nice. I don't know why this image doesn't looks very clear to me. Maybe they're not very. Ah, this is just one image, big image. Okay, so if somebody click, your website is not working. If somebody click here and shop now, what is this image of? Like, maybe you can add link to go somewhere. Okay, the link is here, shop now, but add a link here on this in big image also. Okay, and then you got a nice website, clean website. Is that you, Jasmine? It's very much like Etsy. Yeah, I think your website is nice. Just make the link here and maybe put a high quality image here And for this, I can suggest you, I know you're following Etsy theme, but they have like much more menu items here. That's why like they divided it like in evenly until from start to the end. And in your case, for now, we do not have so many things here. So maybe, you just move it until here, home, and they count until here. So do like something in middle, like make the distance less between the elements. But that's nice. You can keep it like this also, but still that's going to give like a little more symmetry on the website. Okay, so let's do the speed testing. Jasmine was following my tutorials from long time now, and she already talked to me so many times in comments. So I think her website should be already scoring high. Let's see why it is running. Let's check back on chat. Why why when it loads fast use different font? Yeah, I got kicked from Etsy, so I had to make this good. Asif Khan, I have this lazy load issue. Extruded my post thumbnails from lazy load, but still thumbs are loading, slowing down website. Vengeance popularity. Man, kindly audit my website if you have suggest what time schema data should I think email you. Thank you. Yeah, man. Today I think we are already like 1 hour 40 minutes in live stream, and we already had website to visit. So maybe in next live stream, we can do your website audit, because like speaking just 2 hours also like my mouth is also hurting just speaking for 2 hours non-stop. And this live stream like I'm speaking all the time. There's no rest here. Okay, Jasmine. Oh wow, still taking so much time. But why you got kicked out from Etsy? Can you share? You want to share with us? Okay, let me ask, like, comment why you got kicked out from Etsy. Lol. Oh, your website is still loading. I was not expecting that. Okay, let's until then let's review a inner page. Yeah, inner page looks nice. I can give a suggestion here which I use on many websites, and this is a really good suggestion for everyone who got buttons on a website. If you want to convert more, you need to change the color to something like green or something that kind of really affect the user's behavior, because now it's orange. If I click here, it's a blocking color. It's not a like uh, color which take me to the next step. So I recommend you to change the color. I don't know how Etsy doing it. Let's see on Etsy how they're doing it. Add to cart. Okay. So they're not changing it like too much, but I can give you better advice than Etsy. Like it will be much better for you than Etsy. This orange, do it on like green, like something dark green, or maybe this color what you have here. And that will like really helpful for you to people to add items on the cart. And this one, no, like check out from dark to light. It's not very friendly thing to do. So by design perspective and user flow, like you can change it to also some like shade of green. Yeah, this looks nice. Nice website. I hope the test will be ready. Ah, we cannot test your website. Why not? Let me test your website with GT Matrix. Harry Styles legal team. Okay, okay, okay. I got it. So yeah, popular. Okay, yes. I don't know why Google is not testing your website. Maybe I requested too much website analysis. That's why I don't want to give more data to my IP. But looks nice. On GT Matrix, you're performing 89, 96. LCP 1.2 second, green, TBT is 228. I think when you're gonna refresh it, you're gonna have like better scores again. CLS 0. And also, like, what is your website uh, target country? Because you have to test your website. Okay, looks like you're in dollars, so your audience is like in US. Okay, so you are having nice 93 scores. I remember you talking to in comments about your website speed in the comments. So yeah, you're getting 93, 98 scores for your website. Real nice. So yes, I think we don't need to give any session. We already talk in comments. You already implement my tutorials, and you're getting good scores. Okay, so I think we can do one more last website with Droba. Uh, Droba Jyoti Das, are you still here? If you want, we can do last audit of your website. Let me know if you are here. Okay, just let me see the website. Let's open the website and see if it's still here. We'll do audit. Otherwise, we'll do the audit of the website next time. Sportedia.com. Hmm. Okay, it seems a blog website. But Dhruva, are you here? Okay. Yeah, man, we still got some time. Like I think it's going last website audit. Yeah, and you recently submitted your website, so like that's why we are editing a website right now. Man, I'm really sorry if it's take a lot of time to edit your website, but this live stream is not just about audits. It's all about hanging out with community also. And we should all also be like somebody like not always okay, what is for me, but still like combined as a community. And you can learn from every audit what I do here. And you have suggestions from all the members in the chat. Shaveen give very nice suggestions on some things. So yeah, that's also a thing. So okay, let's see your website. Okay, so this is your website. I like your website, but I can see maybe you're using the reserve space for ads. Okay, no. So I'm sure you're gonna have some serious issues on your website because you see there's a content shift here. So yeah, you're gonna. I'm sure I haven't analyzed the website with PageSpeed yet, but yes, I can say you will have CLS issues on your website. Okay, so what you have here? So this is your website and logo is nice. Sports Sida, BGI. First thing I suggest you remove this bullet points. They're really confusing. Can you see here? And they appear like how they want. Like then you have this here. Just remove them. Like these dots in front of the menu icon, just simple menu icons. And then your labels. Okay, I think they're the categories. What is this? Okay, these seems like categories for blog post. Okay, ads is personal preference of everyone how you want to place ads on your website. Like for me this is not a best place to put ads, but still if you like you get conversion, you can keep it here. Okay, so let's see here. Let me see what I can see. Okay, for me, if you want my honest opinion, this text to me is like really big and it's not very nicely readable. You can see somebody agree with me on this point. Maybe change your font here, or maybe everything is like how you say the first alphabet is like capital. Let's change it to a readable ones, and instead of using the big one, use like small one. Doesn't seem to be very readable. Like when I look at it, it's like a lot of text here. So don't make it like the first capital letter alphabet, just the first letter of the sentence is much better. For example, if we try to change it, we can see right now how it is happening. Okay. Okay. For me, this is like much better, but I don't know. Still, it's not very much readable. Maybe I think you, because you have like more letter spacing between the letters, try to change this font. Like honestly, you can work on it and you can really make it much better. And let me know, guys, in the comments if you have also the same opinion about the fonts. Rest everything is nice. You're adding nice blog posts here. Nothing here. And what is this? I cannot see the thumbnail of this thing, so maybe you can add a thumbnail here. And then this thing, maybe you can divide it equally, like everything is on left side, maybe separate it, like move this on the right side and then this section also right side. If you are using Elementor page builder, I think you can easily do that by making one column or like 2 or 3 columns and move them into respective columns. Okay, inner pages are nice. I think it looks much better. And here, okay, same thing. Yeah, these dots here, get rid of them and add something more in the menu, like give more, I don't know, maybe recent post or something. It looks very empty. A couple of more items and you will be fine. Okay, so yeah, it's fine for a blog website. Looks real nice, and they are related blogs. Nice website. Let's test the speed of your website. And let me see in comments if you have some special request to audit. Yeah, like this committee. Thank you. A lot of images lost. Check your reward website. I try my best to complete before this live stream. However, unfortunately, I couldn't do this. Cache speed need to be done. Okay, Shiraz. Oh wow, you're scoring 100 out of 100. What do you want me to audit on your website, man? I think everything is fine. Just focus a little bit on your design and speed. You're already gaining like 100 out of 100. Focus on design, that will like best thing for your website. And design not that bad. Like design is nice. Just the few elements which you can focus, make them more readable. Even for a blog website, I don't know if you want some help with Elementor. I create this video about. Let me show you this video. Maybe it can give you a little bit advice about designing a website. This one, WordPress blog website full course. I'll give you description. I'll give the link in description. So maybe that can give you some advice about the website design. Shiraz, I want my service section on homepage like card button. That's why I did not add image. Okay, perfect. I understand, but make it a little bit better, Shiraz. That was a little bit confusing. Okay, Shakib, can you suggest what type of schema data I use? What schema data you should use? You should have your social schema, your image schema, your ratings if you have ratings, but your website doesn't seem like having rating. So yeah, thanks for your videos. Thank you so much, Dhruba Jyoti Das. Did I pronounce your name correctly? शाकिब खान ब्रो, आपका लाइट स्पीड का जो वीडियो है सिर्फ लाइट स्पीड सर्वर में ही काम करता है? No, you can implement Lightspeed video on any server. The best scores and performance will come with Lightspeed server, not with other Nginx Apache. But you can use it in any server. It's not just only for Lightspeed cache. Okay, I'm using Nimble Page Builder. The same concept is same. All page builders are similar. Like you can use any page builder, and then you can edit your website nicely. Okay, last question, Abhishek. I have last question. Why my website mostly come from Malaysia instead of my target US? I searched from Google Sitekit plugin. That's you have to be like more detailed information for us to think about to investigate it. I don't have access for your speed tools analytics, but I don't know why you have this. How you're promoting your website does also depend on this. Like maybe the products you are promoting, they're more popular in Malaysia, or I don't know, just let us know more about how you're promoting your website. If you're not doing any promotion, it's even coming from Malaysia, then why not? Even when you access to Google Analytics and Webmaster Tools, you can see a lot of important data about the traffic on your website, where they're coming from and what the age, and lot of different data. So that can give you idea that why you have so much traffic from Malaysia. Yeah, but we need more data to analyze the thing. Okay, guys, I think we are done for today. It's almost 2 hours. My mouth is like really painful now, and I cannot speak anymore. So yeah, this was the whole live stream for today, guys. Love you, bro. आपका live stream video client काम दे Fiverr 3000.com only. I love you. Thank you so much, Shakib. It's good that you earn $3,000 on Fiverr. It's good, and share the channel. If you earn $3,000, then now share the channel and spread the channel with other people also. Okay, I see you. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you, everyone. Have a good evening, and then we'll see each other on next Wednesday on live stream. And make sure you spread the channel and share with your friends and family. And that's it. Have a good rest of the week, and see you next Wednesday.